Hello, assalamu alaikum. Good evening, viewers. Them Noman tasu gura zama YouTube channel Noman Khan Ghazali. Nan hazir tasu khidmat kite bale new videos ra interesting videos ra. Aw munga chi sanga tasu pata da course on kare da language aw IELTS ke lagya munga da ga module di salor ai ki do kari do nan drem da number de the speaking babara ke chi how to improve our speaking English speaking especially for beginners or not native speakers, those whose mother tongue is not English. So today I am going to teach you how to improve your speaking skills. Basically my video is for beginners and especially for IELTS students also, because speaking is an important module in IELTS test. So before starting the video, I little request to all of you that if you are new on our channel, please subscribe my channel and like the video and press the bell icon so you can get more notification about our upcoming videos. So how to improve my English speaking? In your mind you think that I can speak, but by your mouth you can't speak. There are some reasons that you can't speak. You know the words but you cannot say it through your mouth. So today I am going to give you some tips about how to improve your speaking. So basic tips to improve your speaking skill. Number one, environment. Environment is the most important thing for speaking of a language. If we can get to an environment where English is everywhere, so we will learn English very easily. We won't have to learn all the grammar and other things. We will learn the language, that language very easily. For example, in English countries, you may have seen that people go from here abroad to English countries and they don't even have any knowledge or education. But when they come back, so they can speak English properly. It's not because they have taken classes there, because their environment forced him to learn that language. So my point of view is that environment is the first important thing. If you want to learn, you should go to that environment which can provide you that language. For example, if you want to learn English, you should go to the environment where English is an important language and no other languages are allowed there. So you will learn quickly that English language. So number second, sharing with friends, chatting. We all have friends and we all have best friends also. So if you have such kind of friend which you can share everything with him, so choose him for your chatting partner. So you can chat with him in English, he won't laugh at you. Choose that kind of friend who won't laugh at you, because we have seen in our society that when we speak, especially when beginners speaks, so the people laughed after them because they mostly speak broken English. So select a friend which is your close friend and share your experience with him and chat with him in English and try to speak with him in English, so he won't laugh at you, so you will learn quickly. Number third, by communicating with native speaker. We all know that it's now a global world and we all use social medias or other things, electronic media, to communicate with the native speaker. So if you have a native speaker friends in USA or other English countries, so you can chat with them and you can learn easily their English. It's also a third step to learn English speaking, improve your speaking very quickly. So you can speak to them by in form of writing or direct video call or audio call. You can speak to them very easily. To go and live abroad with the English speaker, just like we said, environment. So another point is that it would be better for you if you have to learn English. So it would be better for you to go abroad in English countries, in an English country. So that environment will force you to learn that language, because if you can't communicate with someone in that environment, so you won't do anything. So my point of view is that it's important, easiest way to go abroad and learn. If you can afford that, so you can go abroad and live with the native speakers there. Last one is a will or consent. Friends, we have seen a lot of people that they are just wasting their time and passing time just for enjoyment. But if you want to learn English, you must have the will or consent or that thirst or hunger to learn or to speak. We may have seen some students, I also am teaching English grammar. I have seen a lot of students who try to speak English but they can't because there is some hesitation and that little hesitation make them not to speak English. So if you have the will or consent or the thirst or the hunger to learn or to speak English, no one can stop you. You will speak with yourself. Even you can speak with yourself and sitting in a lonely place, you can speak with yourself and repeat your sentences daily. But there are some obstacles in this way to in the speaking of English. For example, our native language is Pashto, so we can't speak English in our society because people mostly laugh after us, and especially persons who are not educated, they especially laugh after us. So but English is an important subject nowadays, and in the future it will take place in every aspect of our life. So my recommendation to you are that you should learn all English very well, because we have seen that our education is in English. I was talking about obstacle in speaking that what are the obstacle. Number first, the people will laugh after us. This is an obstacle. That means hesitation. We hesitate that people will laugh after us, but try to avoid them. Try to speak with the person who knows English. They won't laugh after you, because and remember one thing, that those person will laugh after you who don't understand you. And if someone understand you and you speak something wrong, they will correct you. They won't laugh after you. But those people will laugh after you who don't understand you. So my point of view is just to remove that hesitation from yourself and avoid those people who laugh after you. And try to speak more and more and more. Give it time. For example, say that I would speak to a person. I will speak to a person today for 10 minutes in English, and I will speak. I am broken English, but I will speak. Daily practice, do daily practice, and inshallah, at the end you will see the result that your speaking is improving. In the IELTS, in the speaking test, they conduct an interview between two persons, and they will give you a topic to talk on it for about 2 minutes without stopping and without any hesitation. And you have to use complex words, complex vocabulary. So my suggestion for you, first you should try these steps and remove your hesitation and create your will, a spiritual power with yourself, that I will improve my speaking very well. So I hope you have guys have enjoyed my video. If you have enjoyed my video, please like my video and subscribe my channel if you are new on my channel, and share it with your friends. Inshallah, see you in the next video, upcoming video. Thank you. So.